the Bantam seat?
Me ba okay. Before I me be no. 2004 no. I me be a company for Dr. Dakomo honey before you be opportunity national.
Okay.
Na me taba every na me dey koso Ghana. In 2007 I best started Miami Bank Microfinance MGI.
Okay.
Today is the biggest 25 branches in Ghana.
I see.
Junior term with 13 years.
I see.
We employ over 400 people. We are serving over 52,000 customers.
I see.
My name is Madam Fubi, Dr. Steve Nibibi. And now, about 2012, I said, okay, I'm Ghana 9 months. To see 70 minutes because that time so I'm robbery, it was rolling those kind of things. It's 30 and eventually I'm correct and I buy.
I see.
Buy my initial focus was say a friend say remember business na ejina yi because the business na the best 6-7 years remember ejina yi na 2020 I primaries but idea to become Bantama MP started in 1993 when
really
11 years 96 many other who kwa piamon ekeka who boom youth in action
because all this one maintain any party activity.
Bantama Students Union in 1993-94 we set up Bantama Students Union.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, the salutation at the Bois SSS4 no JSS4 no mobile phone. And you know a horror over 1992 MPP I involved in the politics stolen verdict 96 and I did Dr. Nane a buy who was I say when I Bantama Students Union patron Dr. Nane.
I see.
I was in Legon by then.
I see.
Legon. And then we formed the Students Union. The kind boom of Fulcrum Students Union, Bantama Students Union, Agric Students Union, Bushen Students, I even say Ashtown, near former youth in action. Pania, for Bakacha. They used to, your meeting was set up, a doomsrow. No, because there are some young people in Ashanti region who have put themselves together. That time was near President Ne, or then Hoko Krapia, East Chama, MPP Chama. He was the president because I'm busy in Legon.
I see.
I couldn't take the presidency and we call it Legon. The only president, I'm a spokesperson. That time, near T, and I did activities. That was when I started. It me yima dance dia and see baby it's a womb and the bois Dr. Nane no buy until when I start here. In fact, that's a for crown bless me.
I see.
Yeah, you can't frame me by. I always say they always see here, we say 94. They were always see here clean up exercise, mobilizing the power with actually by a Bantama MP.
Wow. That
is when I took the idea. And I'm saying, Koshemi Hukubuaba. It was there. The 2020 and I may back against me contest. Panya be a friend of Dubois. Or Doptobri area. Also, watch him. So, person by a Bantama MP 2020. Konene Kori. Nekori. The person say, Koneko you muchere.
As a 2016, and how could you watch it?
Maybe quite no, me could watch it.
You didn't have the Z said,
we said the best Bianak manager. But
Rambo style, I would buy and they be see down. Oh, the massive Ghana politics.
Yeah, the issue is
buying taxis. Throwing money.
Chama want to mean a catch them say. Watch a moko election. Na Uboka, Uya, Oboka.
Okay.
Oh, in this one, Oboka. Entijero.
I see.
And a message on who said me ba party Moses can party activities Bantama no money because those nuclear na man funtua. As a business minded person, a very innovative guy, very creative, me accolades because that's what I do. Na me person make for kwebisuma a party ni jida na naso because party adwuma nyina is kasem. And I say okay, let me find some money. Ti ya call election no Madam Fubi ba no so cham. O campaign no say na economy say I that was bravi. I'm quiet. And I say, how can I help you? And I'm say, my promise you move taxi. Say I'm bet me the year Juma Boa any party activities. And I say, okay, here's 1 billion.
1 billion.
Free interest to pay it whenever you want. It's not yes.
Billion
old cities.
1 billion.
1 billion. Yeah.
Order to how many taxes?
10. Me the big can home. Me the almost 70,000 can home. The talk taxi. I say you can have it.
But you deceive the people.
You know correct.
What that one?
You know correct.
So what you free taxi? Not knowing say you work.
Masa.
Yes, say you deceive them.
Oh, there is very deception. Oh, Bob.
Yes.
Hold on. Obi am say J. Madam for man bo 100,000. Ma copy 70,000 account. Yeah, insurance BBA be see 90,000 20,000. Comprehensive insurance for 2 years. BBA. J for 2 years taker. Esi hu bia ni ho. you call this
agreement
is there.
With individual.
They signed the agreement. Oh, electoral area by electoral area. They signed 10 people signed the agreement as witness. The cars are still there.
But the impression is what to constituency.
Master, the question is I didn't come say maybe Ghana for maybe chief fish amao. I have to show you how to fish so that you'll be responsible enough for chami bufu.
Are they paying the money?
After 1 year, I give it them for free.
Until the cars natural.
After 1 year with the chairman
but no mutia.
Not a bit but a bit the Utia can be 9,000. I did 20,000. A big crown 2,000 crown. 2,000.
Te kano e hwan dia sisia.
Kano ayu mudia.
E hwan dia.
Kano ye. Hold on. Listen to this carefully.
Yes.
Sao betiasi. Tifuti. Kano eye electoral area for dia.
Okay.
On average, you know.
Okay.
Omuye be 50-55.
Okay.
Okay. Omudia. Omunefa driver.
Okay.
You be a Canada.
Okay.
Omune Toma insurance. Okay. Kano repair maintenance. Omuho. From there 1 year after that, they never do any sales for me. But Kano is for a purpose.
What purpose?
One, Obi area. Delegate and now Obi area. 50% of Kano is Kano. Delegates there.
Okay.
25% Kano there.
Okay.
25% ideas will be a community in no no pemwa. Namu dia kobuano. Na mode buano no namu dia campaign ma party no.
But
so impression no
buy any say what you taxi
opponent book na my no. Kan no manyina gum. Omo manage ni agum. Omo fo no manyina gum. The
can you so win we cran as at the end of the day you are you try to so beje wade.
Ah me dey. Saka no a concept ma menchiro. You obebon sama mama me. Me yes a concept no in the US.
I see.
Auto 20 taxis. Now the year you kama nanya normal taxi sales. Tini pa. That time na me doing taxi ho. Unya normal taxi sales. Kofi 20 taxis. What the year Juma 3 years. Now one first cano anya hwe. Now ebana de gum tini you.
Yeah.
In 3 years you must have 105 taxis.
I see.
So when I gave it to the Batman phone, na me the experiment I was piloting my program. So our program nam debe 2M Express no.
Oh, okay.
Within 1 year, by the end of this month, 2M Express. Within 1 year, you find say 1-2 years because your big terminal you be in June last year wakra. And to make us say, I want to then subject us here. Within 1 year, piloted with 20. By the end of this month or next month, Nikuta 65 of them.
I see. Now you have to 65.
You know, it was
these are business ideas.
Yes.
The politics proper our bantam.
If you want to hear political,
yes, I'm going to
political.
No, I'm wrapping up with you. But the politics proper our bantam.
Yes.
In fact, I say one. Cecilia, you are sitting on a time bomb because you are getting the hottest contest ever in your life.
But listen,
because as a kukufu or fanful, you and then now you are getting us so. I mean, I just say the heat is there.
Contest back maybe as you back. Oh really? I don't know if this one will be the hottest. Maybe after this there be another hot one.
I see.
It's your friend say sitting on a time bomb no.
Okay.
Your slogan they can say nyame. Yes. And my main country on the fato.
Okay.
God is God. God is God. Me you know. Because God is God no. Nyankopon pe no dey. Oh yeah. Okay. And biggest contest. Let's go for it. Bantama constituency 4 ana akwanya aba. Say omusa decide bim. Let them decide.
I see.
For me, my wish is that I win and continue the good work that I've been doing for Menko, for Bantama, for party, for parliament, for international. I am winning. My sister. But the kind of says, well, let me say, Kabi, we say, Dinyanko Pompe, and they said, Yeho.
But as I sense MP, but my wire will quite bantama. Almost every house.
Now, when did you come out?
A Bisako Koso, when did you come out? When did you come out? And
get delegates at Mamufo and Mamma Juma. And I mentioned me young MPs. And at Mamufo, Mamma Pajaka Juma. Upon whom be a man, because a Juma would thank you jobs.
Oh, okay.
You have to break thank you jobs and goodies. But does it? 2012.
What delegate now direct employment? Ejuma buying now what the amount?
Oh, over 500.
Over 500.
Yes.
Our bantama.
Yes. My private business over 100. 2015. 2015. Go and check how many people work in my company. There are about almost 62 people before I'm buying people now. Bantama 4 year Juma me hot 62 people. I give a job beyond.
Maybe your phone lines
beyond your brother say.
Nah, I this year what Bantama. The interview is getting
but
yeah.
When you are over Messi ball.
Okay.
Me ba say me be my Ghana.
Okay.
Me jabi BBA America. Okay, after 14 years.
Yeah.
Okay, I used to live in a very good community. I had a good job as a chartered accountant.
Yeah.
I'm here to serve my country.
Okay.
I could serve my country in many capacities.
Yeah.
Okay. Luckily for me, you know what I'm capable of doing.
Yes.
Men can't do me home. The good people of Bantama must go in and decide.
I see.
And whatever they decide, you salute them, thank them for the opportunity, and to continue our opportunity to step down, whichever one it is. You thank your God and go on, move on. I'm not and you'll be all yet. We are more human. What is wrong about my voice by Ronaldo? When I Ronaldo,
but when you are enjoying banks, the goodies from the bank, so what's wrong?
It's not goodies for that. That's a private business.
A private business,
yeah, of course.
But I mean, you are making 6
You bring your intelligence, exposure, and experience to bear on the national agenda. Okay, sir. Now, to be a business to me, you money panya juma. Now, you bigger platform. You create bigger jobs.
So you are creating bigger jobs.
Oh yes, of course.
No,
in Ghana, what our contribution in Parliament, you sit at the IMF meeting, World Bank meeting, and you're debating. When I'm of you're debating for your country, you're negotiating. You think it's easy? Then you don't sit before a white man and say, yes, I must by virtue of their color. I've been there in the trenches with a white. So when you go to support the Minister of Finance or Parliament takes you to Abuja, now could negotiate with Ghana, it is true negotiation, not because as Usto white man. And the work when you be in your kunyabi. Say was so Bantama. And find say Ronaldo, no me Messi. Ronaldo ni Messi with him. You back of him. You back of him. Obian never be Ujina. No Mumra Bantama Funya and Nima Papa. Ajuma 27-20 why Ajuma.
48 minutes past 8 o'clock live on Star 104.5 FM. Me kwa interview yaba na answer na native for bunti we me ba. Me ne several questions but Daniel Wachamba